What type of funny are you? You might have a vague idea why people find you funny. Maybe you are definitely sure what makes you hilarious. Maybe people don't find you funny at all, and yet you have a burning desire to be a stand-up comedian. Either way, I can help you. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Kieran Dempsey, and welcome to my comedy clinic. In this episode, I will be helping you discover what makes you funny. There'll be something here for everybody, from a first-timer who has not yet stepped onto the stage, to the old pro ripping it up in dark, smoky basements. Or maybe you just want to secure that big account from old man O'Malley at the office, and need more wit to get him laughing. This session can help you. Stick around, and let's unlock your funny. Who am I? Who are you? Tell me. Come on, tell me. Who are you? No. That is not you. You are a great comedian who can get whatever they want by making people laugh. You are whoever you want to be. What type of funny are you? Is there a comedian personality? Let's begin at the beginning. A lot of people talk about a comedian personality. Usually a tortured individual who feels the need to do stand-up comedy to get validation, to fulfill some need caused by a childhood trauma or a lack of friends. There is some truth to that. Many of the comics I know are needy, tortured, horrible individuals dealing with substance abuse issues, extreme arrogance, and weird sexual fetishes. Nasolingus, for example. But many of them are just normal people, like you and I. My motto is, the more you get in touch with yourself, the more your funny comes. It's all you. My help is as the oil to ease that stuck lock to your funny and allow us to enter hilarity. So, who am I? Many of us still don't know the answer to that. They think they are a mix of conflicting ideas, thoughts and observations. But audiences are simplistic creatures who cannot handle too much information. And so in comedy, it's best to try to focus on one part of your persona. If you're fat, make fat jokes, about being fat. If you're a tall person, make jokes about being tall. Are you bald? Talk about how you look like a racist for 5 minutes. Do you have a beard, a big head, small hands, glasses? Any of these things can be your comic persona. These are comedy gold mines. Choose one of these facile characteristics to focus on. Make sure all the jokes are water sourced from that one well. I once saw a comic do 40 minutes about having a mole on his cheek. It was amazing. But Kieran, you say, there is nothing special about me. Well then, you have to invent something, don't you, idiot? Wear daft clothes, cut your hair in an unpopular way and talk about your haircut. Pretend you have a hard to pronounce name and talk about that. Remember, the audience will not know when you are lying. They won't know your name is not really Dick Ryder or that your mum didn't really cut your hair. They believe what you tell them. So why not tell them something that they will find funny? Keep in mind, anyone can do stand-up successfully, even if they have never cracked a joke or made a person laugh. Some of the most successful comics you see on TV have no natural comic ability, and yet they get loads of work because they are attractive and have the right parents. I hope this lesson has been useful to you. I'd love to hear your stories of how it worked for you, so please comment below. I'd love to hear your suggestions for the video, what you were looking for in comedy advice. I'm an open door. I would really appreciate it if you can please like, share and comment. Hit the bell icon so you can see whenever a new video comes up. I've been Kieran Dempsey. Keep being funny.